Now you can see what I'm doing. I'm shaping this laurel. And the important thing is that if you use secateurs as I am, you'll see that the leaves, you're taking off the new growth, but you're keeping it at the height you want it. Now what I'd like to show you is the difference. I'm using secateurs. That's my preferable way of doing it. Here I have my steel. Of course, you know me, Ken always uses battery. It's a steel battery. Always see that it's locked on the switch. There's a lock here. Always look, can't use. Now, I know this is quicker. Let me show you how quick it is. Right, let's pop that on the ground. And then what I want to show you is the reason I don't like it. If you come in a bit closer, you'll see that what it's done, it's mangled the leaves. You can see they're all cut, they're cut in half, they're cut badly. Whereas if you look at this section here, the leaves aren't cut at all because I'm using secateurs. Now what happens over here is, that where we've got these dead leaves or these damaged leaves, they'll die. So actually what you get is a browning of lots of dead leaf and the leaf will drop. Why do I prefer secateurs? Takes longer. That's not the reason. It's actually, it does a better job. So that's the difference, and that's what I want to show you. Laurels, any large leaf shrub that you're doing, you are better off with a pair of secateurs than you are with a hedge trimmer. Remember that when you're cutting your hedges. And for more about hedges, tools, gardening tips, go to the World Radio Gardening website and you can catch lots and lots of useful gardening.